Ki khubor ka Batese TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Kakasi Student Union West Jente District Unit hakakat truk rempang arajar pausan. Kale pensengaw siya gitanong skor jong Deputy Commissioner ke West Jente District Abhinav Kumar Singh. Halo kajing syak berngam jiki kasi penar ke besar hakishnong ki bahap hapo ka time block 1. Hakaseng ki samna puli ke jai bendrew Karbi kebidan hapo ka syaturi jong Karbi Student Association. Bernamishin bentah ke election siya ke Jente Atan Mas District Council ke Bansa Longshan. General Secretary Jong Geseng Ustamla Lining Rat Taryang hau kerwa belapha shigilar pathai kubor ringkat bat ki video ulayat hu bo Deputy Commissioner ula kular ban shimkia baki buri besyong masa hakishnong jaga time block 1 kimbe satya bandu ya ka hok tap vote bari ka jina ilap election jang kertong ula mahamru ladaga Karbi Student Association kadang beteng ban pendik iki khasi penar ha block 1 keseng ru kamban se ban shimda kani ka ju ka senjam
Jadi bagi kubor Berngam bagi Karbi baka ting mahalam joki buat buka Karbi Student Association ke maham diberi ujongi kinum kimdai ban yo bat telepon cepo celah joki kamu digi sinong bahap sepo blogon bag digi bahap sepo asap ting tang sini negeli joki masing wilayah kudung UDC lor kini kicing jia baro kecing berngam joki bagi kandidat bagi pajbak UDC negeli jong UDC ulak pular ban sekolah di balada Cungkia jadi kita bagi beliau bahasa Islam kan kinum duk batem itu vote jongki dan yegi ba jingat nanti jong ini di kertong election pada kalian jong ini beseng nginam snapsu ini kecing berngem jong ini Karbi ini ke pos ke por jadi beliau jong bahasa Islam kan border baru kene kesin ke bakadu yeki pada JI nang ni sekemat JI yeki beliau jong sepok border Karbi gede bat simi bakli pada ada JI Karbi ru makihi bat simi gede bakli but this is a message to the Karbi Students Association. We have been silenced for many years. Whatever you have done to our people in the border area, you have threatened them, you mistreated them. We keep quiet, but doesn't mean that we are not angered. The time have come for you to stop threatening our people and do what is the right thing in the border area. Otherwise, from our side, there will be no more tolerance with Karbi Students Association. There will be no more peace, no more talk with you people. If you keep on threatening our people, we can do the same thing. From this moment onward, we won't shut our mouth and we won't keep silence. For your own doing, for your own mislead, we will do the same thing to you. And one more thing, we as tribal people, we want to be together in any kind of fight, in any issue. But the Karbi people do not want us to work together hand in hand for the safety of the tribal people. But you keep on creating trouble to our people residing in the border area. This is not what we wanted. All we want is peace. All we want is to maintain peace in the border area, disputed area. And let us not keep on fighting like this. But if you keep on threatening our people, keep on doing all these kind of things to our people, one day we will also do the same thing to you.
Tentu ya ginong song hagi tan bordal jongi bakim de penting bakim de ban sier di de ban le ya ke ka bagi de ban le de ban le de ban wan kumba juble kumba juban ban ada ki ag ba di sya pendik hagi we pat di benriu kumba maham naga DSN ya ge we pat de ngi kum ngi sengi loy ban irap no liang bat mentaru ni ya kendu batu di sihang nen bat kalian jokiru ki tular bakin ba klik bakin le ga ba .com lor ki song suk song ngan jong di pat di ngi dapat segawe ngindai banting ngindai ban sir di de ban song suk laga jongga dewe siap bat kumjuru agaliang ngindai ban kumba kumujulor de seksen liang jonga kesu ni long di Balkloy Banyaram lada dia pedon di Trigno di jeng petut kamtam lagi tan borda jongi tang